When your home or business faces failing drain lines, traditional excavation isn't an option. That's where Iman's trenchless CIPP lining comes in. The process begins with a specialized flexible liner that is precisely measured and prepared for the unique footprint of your plumbing system. The liner is loaded into an inversion drum. Because we use advanced styrene-free resin, the liner stays completely stable and won't cure prematurely, giving our team precision control. The compact, highly portable equipment allows us to navigate tight corridors and set up directly at the pipe access point with minimal disruption. Next, we deploy the innovative blue light LED system. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface, the computer automates the entire process for maximum accuracy. Using controlled air pressure, the liner is inverted and pushed through the pipe, molding tightly against the existing pipe walls. Once positioned and pressurized, the line is fully prepared for lightning-fast curing. As the automated reel pulls the light head back, an integrated camera provides a live feed of the progress, eliminating guesswork. The blue light wavelength cures the resin almost instantly, up to 5 times faster than traditional methods, leaving behind a seamless structural pipe rated to last up to 50 years.
Trust the big red truck to always treat you fair. Trust the big red truck. I'm in plumbing, heating, and air.